We are going to upgrade our event table macro by adding the ability to save snapshots. Right-click, select Built-in Modules, select Auxiliary, and select Snap Value Array. This module will be used to store the event table data with a snapshot. In this tutorial, the array size should be equal to our X size of our event table. In this case, it's 32. Right-click, select Built-in Modules, select Panel, and select Mouse Area. We are going to use the Mouse Area module to write data into the Snap Value module. Unlock the panel to reveal the mouse area in the panel view. Change the size of the mouse area to fit the event table size. Our event table has a width of 400 pixels and a height of 100 pixels. Click on the Mouse Area module, click on the View button, and change the value in the size fields to match. Next, we are going to position the mouse area above the event table. Click on the Event Table module and remove the label by unchecking Show Label. Also uncheck Show Value. In the panel view, move the mouse area over the event table. Lock the panel. Right-click, select Built-in Modules, select Event Processing, and select Merge. We are going to connect the X and Y outputs from the Mouse Area module into the Merge module. Hold down Ctrl whilst dragging the second wire over to the Merge module. This will create an extra port. Right-click, select Built-in Modules, select Event Processing, and select Value. Wire the output from the Merge module into Trig input of the Value module. Wire the Y output of the mouse area into the lower input of the Value module. Hook the out of the value to the in of the Snap Value module. When we click our mouse on the mouse area, events carrying the X and Y coordinates leave the module from the respective outputs. These are used to trigger the Y value that passes through the Snap Value Array module. Both X and Y events cause the Y value to pass through the Snap Value Array. Right-click, select Built-in Modules, select Maths, and select Multiply. Wire the X output of the mouse area to the Multiply module. Wire the Steps knob into the other port of the Multiply module. We are inserting the Steps knob here so that the X values on the mouse area can be scaled to the steps on the event table. Right-click, select Built-in Modules, select Maths, and then select Add. Create constant of 0.5 at the lower input of this module. The Snap Value module is scaled differently to the mouse area and event table modules. This is why we are adding 0.5 here. Wire the output from the Add module into the index input of the Snap Value module. Wire the output of Multiply into the Add module. Right-click and select Built-in Modules, select Maths, and select Subtract. Wire the Snap Value, index out, into the top port of the Subtract module. Create a constant of 0.5 in the bottom of the module. This will allow us to scale our output back down for our event table. connect output from subtraction module to WX of event table. Wire the output of the snap value module into the in of the event table. Make sure all the new modules are monophonic. Let's edit the event table value range. Maximum will equal 1, minimum 0. Uncheck X Auto Fit. This syncs the view of the table to the size of the table. We are no longer able to scroll through the values on the Y range. Instead, we are using snapshots to save our data. We can now delete the sequence knob. Select the sequence knob and hit Delete on your keyboard. In the properties for the event table, make sure the Y value is 1. The event table is now functioning as a display module only. We are writing onto the mouse area that sits on top of the event table in the panel view. The data passes through the snap value module before being displayed on the event table. Make sure self-iteration is turned on in the properties for the snap value array module. As you change the values in the mouse area, the snap value array module will stay updated. We may need to spend a bit of time tuning the mouse area with the event table module. In this case, a correction of 3 seems to do the job. Finally, try saving some snapshots to check that our upgrade has worked.